Windows 11 has quietly added a brand new AI feature that works just like Google Lens. It's called Bing Visual Search, and it's built directly into the Snipping Tool. In today's video, I'll show you what it does, how to use it, and how it compares with Google Lens for Windows. Let's get started. Microsoft has updated the Snipping Tool in Windows 11 with a new feature called Visual Search, powered by Bing. It works almost the same way as Google Lens, letting you search visually from any screenshot you take. To use this new feature, press Win plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Then, select the part of the screen you want to search. Once the Snipping Tool opens, you'll see a Visual Search button. Click it, and your screenshot will be sent to Bing Visual Search in your browser, where you can identify objects, find similar images, or even translate text. Microsoft introduced this feature soon after Google released its own Windows app with built-in Lens support. Google's app lets users search or translate directly from the desktop, very similar to Circle to Search on Android. So now, Windows 11 has its own rival, right inside the Snipping Tool. Both tools work well, but there's a key difference. With Bing Visual Search, the result opens in a new browser tab, which takes you away from your current screen. On the other hand, Google Lens runs inside a floating widget, keeping everything in one place, faster and smoother. For example, when translating text, Bing sometimes gives broken results, while Google translates instantly and accurately, right on the same page. But the Snipping Tool is still a powerful all-in-one app. Apart from Visual Search, it also includes OCR text extraction, screen recording, and a color picker that copies HEX codes directly to your clipboard. You can also choose whether to copy, save, or edit your screenshots immediately, giving you full control right after capture. Imagine you spot a cool gadget online, just capture it with Win plus Shift plus S, and Visual Search will help you find it instantly. Or take a screenshot of foreign text, and Bing will offer translation options directly through Edge. So while Google Lens still wins in accuracy and convenience, Microsoft's Snipping Tool with Visual Search is a strong step toward making Windows 11 truly AI native. Have you tried this new feature yet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more Windows 11 updates and AI tools.